Hi, thanks for joining me. So today I want to do a repairs video. I've done a couple of these in the past, but I'm still a beginner when it comes to electronics and especially repairing old stuff. But I enjoy watching these videos on YouTube so much that I just wanted to go ahead and give this a try. I've also just been looking for a project to kind of take my mind off of things. So I ordered 5 non-working Genesis consoles. These are all Model 1s. And I actually took a couple of them out last night just to have fun and dig into them a little bit. I took them both apart, tried to figure out what was going wrong with them. I'll show you those in just a sec, but today I want to take another one or two of these apart here and just kind of see what's going on with them, see if we can fix them up. So let's get started. Okay, so here this is. I've just gone ahead and plugged it in. We pretty much have everything accounted for: the headphones, the RF out, the AV out. We've got a game in there, so let's see what we get. Well, that looks like that's working. Let's see if we're getting any sound here. Valus isn't the best game for that. Okay, that looks good. Let's go ahead and check the AV out. It's a little fuzzy, but that's not so bad. Okay, well this looks like it's working so far. The reset button doesn't seem to work. Let's check the headphones. And I can hear those. That seems okay. The volume seems to be working. So I guess the only thing left is the controller. I'm just going to try that out and see if that's working. But this might be fully functional. I don't know. Let's find out. So the controller worked just fine on that. So the only thing wrong with this apparently is the reset button. So as far as I'm concerned, that is no big loss. But let's just go ahead and see if that seems like something that we can address. So if we can see that right there, it's a bit grungy right there. So very carefully, I'm going to try to clean that up, and I'm going to apply just a little bit of this spray to that switch for the reset button, and we're going to see if that alone can help get this reset switch working. Other than that, that was a lot of that. This seems like it is doing pretty darn well. Alrighty, so we're back again. We're just going to try out that reset button. Let's see how it's doing. Okay, Sega, reset, nothing. Wow, still nothing on that reset. Alright, well, there's that. Okay, so this was kind of a huge pain in the butt, but I got this little switch for the reset button desoldered from the board. So I'm just going to do a little test here. This is just a really simple continuity test. So what's supposed to happen is this little rubber pad has a little black thing on the bottom of it, and that's supposed to provide a connection between these 2 points. So I'm going to just go ahead and put that on here. I have this flipped around, so it's sticking right on that. And if you can see the meter, but nothing much is happening. I'm just going to take a little screw, and I'm going to touch inside there. And you can see we're getting something. It's beeping a little bit. That's what we're supposed to get. We're supposed to reduce the resistance between those 2 points. So let's go ahead and try that. With this board has the button that should work on it, and I still haven't removed it. But let's go ahead and do this same test. I'm just going to kind of hold / clip these on here. So there we can see that. Now I'm going to push the button, and you can see that goes down. It's not quite enough to make it beep, but we're there at about 700. Now we're down to like 4 2. So that button seems to be working a lot better than the other one. So I'm going to see if I can get that off of that board, put it on this board, and after a lot of effort, we'll have a working reset button. So before I put this back together, I just wanted to point out this other board here that I stole that switch from, which I guess is apparently my official parts board now. Interestingly enough, if I compare it to the one that I put the switch in, it looks like somebody did some work on this. Here's the same spot on that other board, and this is the one we put the switch into. But you can see here, it looks like this is just a little patch. It's kind of just globbed on there. That looks like it's kind of just patching that to ground, I assume. And then there's this resistor that's going there. So I don't know exactly what that could be for. It doesn't seem to affect play from what I've noticed so far. So I'm not going to worry too much about it. I suppose I could, pop those off of there if I thought there was something up with it. But if you guys know anything about that, what something like that might be for, or why somebody might do something like that, definitely be interested to hear what you think. Okay, welcome back. So here is the finished product. This has been all cleaned up. This one didn't shine up quite as well as the last one I did. It's just a little dingy. But it's really a lot better. At the last second, this LED was bad after all the yanking on and off of this case that I did, so I had to replace the LED. But we should be 100% up and running here with another Sega Genesis. This is number 2 out of 5. One is officially a parts machine right now, and everything's working. Working reset button and everything. So there that is, very excited. My other one is over here, and this one you can see, this was really dirty also. This is the high definition graphics version, but this one actually looks really nice, all cleaned up, and really there was nothing wrong with this that I could tell. I mean, it was sold as a batch of, for parts, but I plugged this in and it kind of worked right from the start, so I just cleaned it up really good, and there's that. So yeah, I hope this was enjoyable, and I've got another couple machines to address here, so I might just do a little bit more of that. But just having some fun, trying to get some machines up and running. I guess I put $50 into this, and I have 2 working machines now, consoles only, so that's, I guess, $25 each. I don't know if that's a good investment, but something fun to do with my time. Anyway, I hope that this was enjoyable, and I hope that you guys will join me again next time for some more video gaming related videos. Thanks for watching.